how are you?
Hi Joey, I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Yeah.
Where are you now? Right now?
I'm actually on my birthday vacation and I'm enjoying like hell.
Okay. Your birthday is going to start in the next 1 hour.
Yes, that's why we're doing this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. For
So
my
I
audience.
have,
Yes,
so I
tell
have
me.
some questions for you, for your audience.
Yeah, ask
So
me.
are you ready?
Yeah, of course, I'm ready. I'm super
Okay.
excited.
Tell me about your life experience.
About my life experience, it's amazing, amazing. My life is incredible. I'm still learning many things.
Or life lesson?
Life lesson, never look back to your past. Move forward, guys.
Who is your fashion idol?
Priyanka Chopra, of course, for the Desi Barry thing.
Or life idol?
Life idol, I would say it's mix of bunch of people, but right now I'll say Michael Jackson maybe because I love the human values he has spread to the world.
Oh, nice, amazing. Beach or mountains?
Beaches, of course. Right now also I'm sitting on a beach only.
Okay,
Yeah.
sweet or spicy?
Sweet always. Actually I'm a sweet tooth, but I love spices sometimes. Yeah. So
Veg
I'm like a
or
mix.
non-veg?
I was actually a non-vegetarian back then before 1.5 year, I guess. But I recently converted to vegetarian, pure vegetarian. Yeah,
Okay,
it's due to spiritual reasons. Yeah.
nice, nice, very nice. Things that people misunderstand about you.
About me, yeah.
Yes.
For the image that I portray on my Instagram, guys, I'm absolutely opposite of that. I'm highly spiritual. I'm a very reserved person. I'm actually I barely go out for clubbings or like these kind of things. I'm a very simple person. So that's the truth about my life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Year title for you?
Your title for me,
Yes.
incredible, incredible. Miracles
You
are happening
are,
with
yes.
me. So this year is highly incredible for me, and especially the Taurus people. If you listen, yeah, of course.
You are influenced by?
I'm influenced by,
Yes.
like you asking about the fashion field.
Yeah.
I'm not influenced by anyone,
Okay.
but I would say for me only because since childhood I have a different passion and like different persona for having a fashion sense and creating those masterpieces within myself. So that's me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Any final thoughts for your followers?
For my followers.
Yes.
So guys, I'll be celebrating my birthday in few hours. So I would say that I know there are going to be a lot of wishes for my birthday. I would thank you everyone, each and all of you, because I'm going to receive a hell lot of messages. I'm sorry in advance for not answering them, but I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys are incredibly showering on me for my Instagram. Thank you so much, family. I love you a lot. Thank you so much for everything.
So this is it, people. This was a small episode for Moral's birthday series.
Yeah, very
Let's-
small actually.
Let's talk in the next episode.
Of
Bye
course,
bye.
of course.
Happy birthday, Mrinal.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
So guys, let me celebrate Mrinal's
Thank-
birthday. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.
See you soon.
Virtual kisses, virtual hugs. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.